Okay, go ahead.
Jake, can you kick? Wow, are you swimming? Are you swimming? Oh my gosh!
Good job, buddy.
You want to jump off? Go ahead. Jump off. Go jump. Jump. Go jump. No, right here. Come on in. Jump. Jump.
Jump.
You don't want to jump? You see an airplane?
Yeah.
But you're getting how you can see him floating, right?
Yeah.
Jake, are you swimming?
Send it to Dan.
Here, I'm gonna go back a little so you can get like the full picture.
And then Nicole, come over here as fast as you could.
Here, hold on. Jake, come here. Are you swimming? Are you a big boy? Oh.
I'm lifeguard.
Here. He doesn't want me to touch him at all. Can you still see him?
Yeah.
I'll push you up. You can't see me.
Come this way. Come this way.
Good job, Jake. You're doing really good.
Yaya. Can you show her how you kick and move your arms?
Jake, go like this. Good job.
Oh, this works really well. Yeah. Good job.
The pool is so warm.
Good
job.
He's doing really good now that he's calm.
Nicole,
Huh?
stop it.
Is he dropping?
Can I stop it?
Oh yeah, you can stop it.